Hello, and welcome to the part of the video where I explain what the team does. Am I copying off Meta Productions? Slightly, but I've been planning to do this for quite a while, and this video was supposed to come out Halloween, but uh, I had to spend 7 ability caps on the Noivern to get the right ability, so that delayed it quite a bit. Anyway. So obviously, like, I don't think Noivern Rain's really like a new thing, but I don't see it that much, and I think Noivern's actually pretty good. Um, and so I have the pretty standard set, except I didn't run Flamethrower because it's in Rain, which I mean I think Flamethrower could be nice to deal with like maybe like a Ferrothorn or something, but in Rain I don't know, and Gyro Ball would just take the set, and so Superpower deals with that. So I think Hurricane's just, I think also, especially with like Conk and stuff, Hurricane is just really good because with the in Rain with 100% accuracy, and then it's also Stab, and then you have Draco Meteor, U-Turn, and Boom Burst, and I just run Boom Burst because I feel like that's like just a really strong move. Even though it's like not Stab, I feel like it's just very easy to spam. You can just spam it, so that's why I have it, and it hits hard. Pelipper, Hazard Remover, sets Rain. It's kind of counters Conkeldurr, because it seems kind of weak to Conkeldurr, so I think really Noivern and Pelipper take care of that, but other than that, it doesn't really do much. Craw, it's a good wall breaker, so I have the standard set. I mean, I think some people run Liquidation, but I run Grab Hammer because honestly, usually I don't do that. Like with Fire Blast, I run just Flamethrower instead because I don't like missing. But with a Crab Hammer, it rarely misses for me, so I just run it. And like the high critical hit with the 100%, it's adaptability with like, and it's stab and then crash and high critical hit. So it's just, I think it's really strong. And then knockoff, obviously very good. Superpower, and then same with Kingdra, standard Rain Sweeper. I didn't run Flash Cannon, instead I ran Hydro Pump because that was recommended to me, so I changed that. This is Ferrothorn. I think this is really what sort of is made to wall a lot of things because it'll help me with like what will this help me with? It'll just help me wall a bunch of stuff, and it's good for my hazards, and then I can. It's really just good for recovering, and then like because this team right now isn't really designed to take hits. Like Pelipper can take physical hits, but like Noivern and Craw, like they can't really take hits. So Noivern just, I mean, Ferrothorn is able to take those hits, and like effectively deal back with Gyro Ball, and then it can also just stall the thing out. And then lastly, I have Diggersby. Originally, I had Garchomp, like a defensive Garchomp, and I was running Power Whip on this to deal with Seismitoad because that would kind of wall the team. But I figured, Noivern and Kingdra with Draco Meteor and Hurricane and Boomburst and stuff, they can take care of that. And especially this has knockoff, so I think also Return hits it pretty hard. So I feel like that's fine. So I added Diggersby instead. Scarf set. I usually run Banted, but I just ran Scarf because I think on this team it'd be better because we already have the 2 big strong sweepers or whatever. So I went ahead Gunk Shot. I kind of had Gunk Shot to hit Clefable, but surprisingly, honestly, I decided to go for U-turn, just so I can like keep up momentum in the team because I also originally had Noivern specs, but changed it to Life Orb because like stuff like Chansey and like Heat Train are very common. So with Life Orb, it's just able to switch out on them, and it won't have to. I can keep up momentum. So that's what I ended up doing. And Gunk Shot, I originally had Gunk Shot to hit Clefable, but with Craw and Noivern, I just and in Rain, Kingdra and stuff, Clefable doesn't really. It's hard for Clefable to stall out this team overall. So that was the final team. Yeah, now we'll do some battles. Alright, so we got match against this guy. He's 1700s. Mach Punch shouldn't do much. Hurricane does destroy, but I'm afraid I'm gonna miss. So honestly, I'm gonna Boom Burst on it. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Take that out. Nice and easy. He's probably gonna go Snorlax. Probably. I think this thing could be kind of nice, but this is probably Scarf, and this, I don't know, Noivern speed tier. Exposing my decks here. 123. So yeah, it does outspeed. So I'm gonna just U-turn on this. Pretty nice. I think Pharaoh is the best switch in, because I mean I'm not Spadef, but whatever. And I'm gonna set rocks here. It's fine. I can go back to Pelipper. He could Rock Slide actually. So I also usually when I'm playing, I usually like hard predict, like if they switch to Heatran, like I'll predict that they're gonna predict my prediction. But so then I'll stay in and I get like free hazards, but I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna just go Pelipper. If he Rock Slides, then you know, it's whatever. He didn't though. Now, since they're slower, I'm gonna get the free U-turn out on the whatever switches in, which is the Snorlax. So now we can go to Craw, and we can fire off a superpower. The only thing he has to resist this is the Alakazam, which I don't think will live it because it's Alakazam, and then Starmie. We could Crab Hammer too. Where's Crab Hammer actually? Oh, that's unfortunate. Nice. Just don't. Oh, okay. Well, that is very unfortunate. Yeah, it code too. That's unfortunate. That's actually, I think this is the first time I've ever missed a Crab Hammer. So, I don't think Pharaoh pretty much walls this, so I'm not really scared. Yeah. Obviously, I think he's gonna go Darm, but in case he doesn't, I'll Gyro Ball, because Gyro Ball will. Yep, that's nice. Okay. I think this kills. I think it's still. I don't understand why water resists steel. That doesn't make sense to me. That doesn't kill, but we have priority on Crawdaunt, which, you know, that doesn't work. Then, do I really need this for anything? This could actually kind of. This could be nice to have, though, against Starmie. Honestly, it could be kind of nice. I mean, I'm actually just gonna set Crawdaunt. I'll bet you. I think. Actually, pretty sure we outspeed with Kingdra. What's the? Yeah, it's. I don't think. Yeah, I think we'll outspeed. We can just fire off a surf. And, yeah. Okay. Well. Yeah. So we did outspeed. He just ice sharded, which chips us down, but that doesn't really matter. So we can get that out of here. What would he go now? He's probably gonna go Starmie. Yep. Which is why we kept around this. So I don't know what he's gonna do. Psychic. That's fine. I'm gonna just leech. Imagine we missed the leech seed. Nice. And then I think I can get just free recovery here. He might predict the He might predict the prediction. Oh, yeah, he did. Okay, that's fine though. You think he'll predict this? It doesn't matter actually. It doesn't matter if he predicts this or not. He didn't. Now I can fire off a free hurricane. Extremely free. I don't think it really matters what he goes. Yeah, he just sacks this. Unless this doesn't die, which it doesn't. Why would it die? That doesn't make sense. Alright, so now I'm just gonna U-turn. I don't even... Maybe U-turn doesn't even kill. Like at this HP, because this doesn't matter. I'm just gonna U-turn on it. Oh yeah, he takes damage though. No, I'm pretty sure Kingdra wins, honestly. I'm just gonna sack this just so I can safely get in something without having to risk a switch in. And if for some reason this, if I can somehow Oko this with, because like Garaball, I know Garaball Okos. Okay, no. Alright, yep, we're good. Now I go in here. Surf. Nice. And then Starmie. No, Starmie doesn't live this. Never mind. That's our first win. Epic. I think he's gonna knock, but I don't think that'll. I don't think. I can't risk it in case he does crash. Yeah, okay. Just to be safe. I can throw off a slower U-turn here. Nice. That had to be a crit, right? Yeah, okay. Let's say there's no way that just hits it like that hard. Now we go here. He actually might keep this and go to the Azu. But I'm gonna just surf anyway. Now he goes to the wash. Which most certainly... Oh, that was a crit too. I think this next one will Oko though. Or we'll kill it. I'm pretty sure. I think that crit's nice though, because it just certainly like just gets us out of here, which is one of the things that sort of... Oh, but he actually decides to keep it. Okay. And that does also still a ton. Which is so nice. So we're gonna go Pharaoh here. I'm gonna set my hazards. He might predict, but I don't think he will. Yeah, no. Right, little Stealth Rocks here. This Pharaoh will... I mean, it's grass, so we can't, like... You know. He defogs. So it's not Scarf. I mean, I guess maybe the safer bet would have just gone go Diggersby, maybe, because Diggersby it's gonna be hard to actually use this round, but I think he's gonna go Azu here, probably. Yep. He might be Superpower, or he might be Bellytron, but we will find out. Okay. That's actually fine. I think we can take that. As long as he doesn't freeze us. I don't know what he thought I was gonna... Do you think I was gonna go like Noivern? I would have gone Pelipper though, for sure. So we're just chipping this down. We're just chipping it down. And since I'm slower, even if he defogs, I can just keep setting rocks and he'll just die. Go ahead, keep on defogging. So this is actually really good, because I'm literally just chipping this down. I'm gonna Garaball this turn. I don't think he's gonna... yeah. Oh, big brain. Nice. He might be Fire Blast, so I'm protect. Nope, he's not. So we're honestly, this is really good. We're just chipping down the really big things that sort of resist, sort of counter my thingies in rain, my low, this thing. And he goes Azu. I'm gonna go Pelipper. Gonna do. These superpowers, nice. Actually, I think going Pharaoh again could be an option, but I think actually Pharaoh might be the play. He's already -1. He's gonna stay in and do it again. Maybe, and maybe not. Oh, yo. No. What do you do? Calls and goes Garchomp. So, honestly, he's Life Orb, so I'll just protect. Why take an Earthquake? He Earthquakes, of course. And then we'll just... I'm gonna just Leech, just to be safe. I don't think that was a smart play, honestly. Oh, we missed. That's unfortunate. That's mad unfortunate, because that's so bad. Because if we hadn't have missed that, we would have been full HP, and I could have just protected, and nothing would have happened. So that Leech Seed miss is really bad, actually. That's very bad. He's probably just gonna go Azu here. That's like the Azu Marill. No, he goes Gengar. That's weird. I should go this. I'm gonna do it. I'm a savage. I bet he's gonna Shadow Ball. Exactly. My brain is humongous. Alright. He might go... Yeah, no. Not gonna risk that. Okay, so we got Gengar out of here. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Oh, it's dead. Oh, so nice. So the one problem is that we missed the Leaf Seed, so now Pharaoh, actually, but no, we can get some a little recovery here. These strength saps, that's fine. Honestly, that's fine. I don't really care because, come on, hit it. How much does that do? I mean, that's not bad actually. I'm gonna go here. I think Aqua Jet won't kill us, so I think I can just Hurricane here, and that should do good. Like, Ice Punch is obviously like gonna kill Oko, but the point is Hurricane will not. He has to sack this, and then I think Kingdra can win easily. So he sacks that. That's fine. So that's one turn of rain, right? It's one turn. Alright, if he kills this. Alright, that doesn't matter. Now I think we win with Hurricane. Because if he Aqua Jets, that certainly won't kill. Like, even if he's banded, that shouldn't kill this. Nice. Crit, I don't think that mattered. So, second dub. Ya boy does not lose. Okay, so this guy, he's got an interesting team. I think Noivern looks actually pretty good here, so I'm just gonna U-turn didn't go Pharaoh because that'll wall this. Gyarados, I don't care if he really Dragon Dances or whatever he does. Yeah, Ice Fangs, okay, yeah. So, let's see. I think Hazards also helps me because it chips down 3 of his mons pretty well. This is, I think it's a pretty obvious Heat Wave. So, I'm gonna go Pelipper. If he discharges, he does, okay. Whatever. So, good play on his part. But I don't think... I mean, Rain's nice, you know. I don't know, though, how much Rain was actually gonna help, though, like, long run, but I think Rain could have been nice to have, but he did discharge, which is fine. Sacks this. Which means it's probably going to go to that thing, but that's also fine, because then I can just throw up a Hurricane. Yep. So, I don't... He might try and, like, put this to sleep. Yeah, okay. I was gonna say, he might try and do that, but I think that shouldn't affect us. Oh, he has Moonblast. That's not good. Nah, I think I should keep this. He Sludge Bombs. Interesting. I don't really know what he's gonna go here. He goes Zapdos. I think he's... just gonna Leech Seed. I'm gonna go Kingdra here. Well, that's not good. So I think Zapdos is dead. Yep. This is kind of bad though. Alright, he's gonna go there. I'll go with this. This completely walls this, so I'm not really scared. I think he's gonna protect the Leech Seed, so I'm actually gonna Gyro Ball here. And he does. Nice. Easy. I don't know how much this Diggersby will actually do to the ugly mushroom thingy. Scarwell again, obviously. So he Dragon Dances, so it's dead. Even if he has HP Fire, that won't kill this. At least it won't kill it in one shot. And Gyro Ball, I'm pretty sure that it'll could. Oh, he just Leaf Storm, so I don't think he actually has HP Fire. And we're Scar Leaf Tornado. I don't know what that does. Oh, this is an easy win. Are you doing a video? Okay. Just Gyro Ball. I don't think that doesn't do. It's not too bad. Or I don't know. I think it's just forfeiting right now because I'm grass and there's a sleep clause. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Easy win. Okay, so match up against Alan69. Calls and go. No, please don't paralyze. Whatever. I'm gonna go Kingdra and hit him with a Specs Ice Beam. Probably gonna go Heatran. No, he goes Chansey. Come on, freeze it. Whatever. I'm gonna go here. I don't care. I'm gonna defog these away. Lower his evasion. Alright, I'm gonna go here. Probably just gonna set rocks. Probably gonna go Zapdos, and I'm probably gonna get paralyzed again. That's just my luck, especially with static. I think there's been like, out of my whole time, I think there's been twice where I played and I didn't get staticked. But he doesn't. He goes this. Super nice. Just gonna get rid of that, which is actually really good because now that really is good for Kingdra. Goes to this. I think he's gonna Heat Wave. This is the safer switch-in, honestly. No. No, it's not, because it's paralyzed. I don't really care what he goes here. He's probably gonna go... Yeah, okay. Jet. I don't even know if Jet at this rate, even at this HP, killed. Oh, he's faster, because he's speed invested. Alright, that's fine. Oh wait, no, I haven't set rocks yet. He might be superpowered, but he isn't. Which is also fine, because I can leech here. Need to start recovering some HP. Do you think he's Heat Wave or Defog? I mean, he's probably either, no matter which one. I forgot whether or not. So, so it's gonna go Chansey again. Chip it down even more. How much are we? So he tosses, right? Yeah. Okay. Banded knockoff. What's he gonna go to? Zapdos. Can we not get paralyzed, please? Of course, man. Of course. That's so bad. Alright, I think we're at decent HP. I'm gonna keep this around though. What did he do? Oh, he does have superpower. Okay. Didn't expect him to have that. I'm pretty sure he's banded though. I mean, yeah, banded. So I think I can go here. I can U-turn out. We go Chansey. We can go here. Oh, what do you think? 150. So we're 70. 75. I don't know if Chansey has that. It probably does. Yep. Bro. 2 statics. Whatever. We lost already. Earthquake. Toxics, of course. Well, we lost 2 statics. Imagine he didn't Aqua Jet there. I mean, honestly, he's banded, so I can certainly force in Kingdra here. Force in Hydro Pump. But honestly, wait, please hit. Ugh, we miss, man. Honestly though, maybe we can win, but highly doubtful. Alright, we hit it. I guess that turn doesn't really matter. One thing is that does waste a turn of rain, so he's probably just gonna kill this. That doesn't kill. Certainly kills us next turn though. Oh no, he let me keep it. Wait, this might be bad, actually. Oh, we're faster. That's bad. He's gonna move less. Oh wait, no I misclicked on the wrong thing. So he's unaware, I think. I'm gonna roost. Are we toxic? I think we're toxic. So he's gonna chip us down no matter what. I'm gonna just hurricane this turn now. That's fine. We gotta, I don't know if this might OHKO with Hydro Pump, but we have to crit the Hydro Pump on Azumarill. No, this doesn't even kill. Now Aqua Jet kills. Almost so. We have to misclick. Why are you even protecting, bro? There's no point in protecting, actually, because we already hit our 40 turns, so. That is one thing that I don't really understand, because, like I remember, like, it was Clan Wars, I think, yesterday. And his Pharaoh was one hit, but he just protected just to make it last one extra turn. I still don't understand why people do that, because, like, it doesn't really matter. You know, he still... Alrighty, so we got another 2000 guy. We almost beat the last 2000 guy, though, so maybe we can beat this guy. What's he gonna go to? Chansey. That's a weird switch in, actually. What do you think he is? He's toxic or T-Wave? Actually, I'm gonna just go here. And then we can set rocks. He goes Gliscor. Why would he do that? Maybe he's... no, he's default. Okay. That's fine. We'll just leech seed this and chip it down. Because he's faster, so... Sure, they got me tripping. Oh, bro, that song's stuck in my head. I scroll on TikTok and then the songs get stuck in my head. So, I think he's gonna predict. Oh, holy catch. Oh. Yes. Alright, I'll just leech seed here again. Oh, of course, we missed, bro. How many times have we missed? We've literally shot, like, leech seed this episode a total of, I think, what, like, maybe, like, 7 times? And we've missed, like, 3 of those times. What are you doing? I don't know what this guy's doing. He just keeps switching between everything. Alright, watch this. Predict the Shadow Ball. Oh, but Diggersby took it like a champ, bruh. I should have returned. I'm so dumb. No, actually, this is good, this is good. So I can go here and fire off a surf. But then watch this. Okay, watch this. Big brain play. See, I have a big brain. I just get unlucky. So look, I'm predicting he's gonna go Chansey. Watch this. Oh, my brain is humongous, bro. My brain is so big. What's he gonna go to? Oof! Look at that damage, my guy. What do we do? I don't know. I'm just gonna go here. What do you do? Earthquake. No, he roosted. What a... This is a dumb stall set, bro. Look at this team, bro. He's got Conkeldurr, Victini, Chansey. Look at this, like the most OU team you can possibly have in the world. Alright, I think we're faster than this. Even if we aren't. Now we go here. He's Thunder Wave. Ha! You missed. Get stick bugged. Do. Now we go here. Predict the Thunder Wave because, you know, see? I knew he was gonna Thunder Wave. Alright, now we return. What if he predicts this? No, we didn't. Haha. Bro, how does it survive, bro? That's hard fizz deck for something. Who runs that? Predict, go there. No, toxics. Oh, double miss. That's tough. Honestly, though, with what's been happening in my other games, I probably deserve that. Oh, never mind. I guess I didn't deserve that. So, he might Thunder Wave. I can't let him paralyze either of these, though, for sure. He's double status. Ah, bruh. Double status. So look, this time he's gonna predict that I'm gonna return. So I go here and I Earthquake. What? What? Oh no, it's because his Gliscor, like the most OU mon in the game, can take like 50 returns. It's fine. You know, I keep my cool, bruh. Keep my cool. Yeah, Earthquake. Of course you crit. Why wouldn't you crit? Now I don't have anything to absorb the Thunder Wave though, which is kind of bad. Because he's dual status. Do we have rocks up? I don't think so. Yeah, we don't. Let's see. I think. All right, watch this though. He's gonna. Why do you keep switching everywhere? You're weird. And he's probably gonna flamethrower. I don't care. He didn't. Ha. Get seated. Do. Now watch. He's probably gonna not I'm protecting. I told you he's gonna switch. Bro, who? This guy plays so weird. Venter Sword. He's got a weird name, and he plays weird with his most OU team in the world. Alright, we can Hurricane. You knocked off. Okay, that's fine, whatever, I don't care. What are you, AV? Okay. Hurricane on the Chansey. You soft-boiled? Bro. Stop running your... Huh, you missed, kid. You're terrible. Get out of here. He probably PM'd me being like, oh no, I missed. Wah. Shut up, kid. With your team, you deserve to miss. Alright, this is good though. This is mad good. I'm a crap hammer. Come on, hit. Hit. Yes. Ooh, we got this Gliscor out of here. Bro. Alright, what are you gonna go to now? Oh, you're going to go to Rotom? What are you gonna do? You're gonna Volt Switch on me? Probably, yeah. I was gonna say, he probably is. No, he's not. He's not Facade. He's not Facade, because it's AV. Bro, imagine. Alright, watch this. I don't think he's gonna V-create. He subs. Look at this. Who runs sub Victini, bro? Nobody runs that. Oh shoot, I'm dead. No, frick. Alright, he crit that, but I've got Infiltrator on this. Look at this. I spent 7 ability caps just to get this. And it's about to pay off, man. I bet you he doesn't even know I'm Infiltrator. I bet he doesn't even think that this would ever run Infiltrate. I don't even think, but he doesn't even know Infiltrator exists. Watch, he's gonna stay in. He's gonna stay in. He didn't? Bruh. Never mind. Well, just U-turn on out. Into my nice Crawdaunt, which he seismic tosses. Watch this, watch this. Go to your Rotom, it's dead. If you go to Victini. Now I get another knockoff when you bring that in. Unless if I sack something, of course. Oof. What to do? This, I need this. No, I don't need that. I kind of need that, actually. This is probably... No, I need this for Chansey. Kingdra seems... It's looking like bad. What do? He volts, right? Yep. And then he's gonna go to his Chansey so he can Thunder Wave. Oh, watch, I'm gonna freeze it. I'm gonna freeze it. Trust, I'm gonna freeze it. Come on, freeze it. Frick. I thought I would freeze it. Alright. Let's save Boston. Dead wash. Alright, I can still come in if I sack something. This takes care, though, of the... Alright, well, I think I lost to the most OU team in the game. He stayed in. Haha. I lost. This kid, bruh. Who runs these sets? Alright, I'm killing this because I don't care. I just want to kill that. Haha. Now you're dead. With the... Bro, I swear though, these teams so OU. Like, there's no need for this sweaty stuff. I mean, I'm running rain, but you know what I mean. Bro, my rating's getting so low. I was literally in the 2000s, but I lost to like a noob. Because he... I memed on him. What did I say? I memed on him, and he got Dragon Dance gear up. Alright, anybody in Q know. We matched up against this guy. He doesn't have a Zapdos, so I can U-turn on this pretty freely. Okay, Scarf. That's actually good to know. What's he gonna go to? Probably U-turn. Yeah. He does have a Gyarados, so... He does have a Gyarados, though, so I'm slightly scared about that. No, wait, no, I'm not. What am I talking about, bro? I'm scared of nothing. Alright, watch this. He thinks I'm a noob. He thinks I'm gonna go Pharaoh. He's gonna trick here. Watch this, watch this. Oh, he even voted. I out-predicted my own prediction. Alright. He might actually predict the return. Maybe, no, U-turn was probably the better play here. But he's Scarf, so he's gotta go. Nah, he's gonna go U-turn. I should have just Earthquaked. Oh no, I shouldn't have. He's gonna foul play. No, he knocks. That's not bad, actually. I'm not gonna complain about that. Where'd you go now? Among Us. Let me U-turn. Now you're gonna let me go here. And Hurricane. Alright. He's probably gonna go Heatran. Yep. Confuse it, please. Come on. Shoot. No, we should just set rain. That's probably the best thing to do. I think we're slower too, so. No way. No, okay, yeah. Here's my prediction. he's gonna think that I'm gonna defog, but actually, I'm gonna U-turn. Watch, he's gonna go Bisharp. He's gonna go Bisharp. He's gonna go Bisharp. He didn't even go Bisharp. Why didn't you go Bisharp, kid? Go Bisharp. Idiot. Okay. Now, obviously, I think Stealth Rocks is what I should do here. Upset you. What are you gonna do here? HB Fire is gonna do like nothing. Yeah, it does nothing. Wait, actually. Take a ton of chip though. What did he do? Did he predict I would go here? Yeah, he did. Huh. Let's save. I could Draco, honestly. I'm gonna. Frick. Alright, nah, I gotta go, do you think he's gonna. I'm gonna defog now. I have to. I might Dragon Dance, but. No, he let me get the defog off. Okay, that's real good. Because now I can U-turn. Wait, what place the Heatran? Okay. Let's save and post. I have. No, I don't have my rocks. I just defogged them away. Now watch this. He goes to his Heatran, commanding you to go to your Heatran. Boomba! Boomba, baby. And then it misses. Even Among Us. That takes that, bro? Why would you take that, man? I can go this. Alright, now look. Now I gotta think here. Okay, should I predict that he goes Heatran again? Or do you think he's smart enough that he thinks I'm gonna predict, and so then it turns out he's not smart enough? Nope, he's dumb. Okay. Actually, no, that's fine. That's fine, actually. Wait, no, it's not. He's gonna... Why did I think that was a one turn? Whatever. Alright, do you think he stays in? No, I think he's smart enough. He's gonna stay in. No, he's not. Haha. Idiot. I'm surprised that only actually does like that much. Do you think this will even kill now? I think it will. I think it will. No, what if he switches out to save it? Okay, he didn't. That's good. Now his real rain resist is the this is the Gyarados and stuff. You think he's gonna predict? He didn't again. So now actually, I think the good play. Maybe he predicts my return. No, I just got a U-turn. No, I think I'm dead. No, he gave it to me. Let's go. Alright, now we go here. taunts. Alright, now we can fire off a free surf. Easy peasy. And, his, what is this? That dies. That 1000% dies at this point. So, we're vibing right now. Do you think he suckers? Straight outplay him once? He did, okay. Let's say the imposter round. Wait, but sucker doesn't kill. And neither will knockoff. Ironhead might. Ooh. That did mad damage. He knocked off my band, which actually at this point doesn't really matter. Sucker won't kill. Maybe I should just go hear him. Nah, I should go here. Alright, now look, I think he's gonna he still isn't predicting my stuff. I have to go here, and I have to roost. Which, I don't know what he's gonna do, but he lava plumed. Okay. Do you think he's faster? I wonder if he's gonna set rocks or not. No, he opts to just get that off, which is honestly completely fine. Bro, I just realized he has 3 ground immunities. I'm gonna just crab hammer here. Should kill that. Alright, and I'm not banded, I gotta remember that. I don't care, I'm still crab hammering. Unless of course I miss. Maybe I should start running liquidation. Cause like I feel like crab hammer is so good, but I don't think I've ever actually like seen it crit. Alright, he sacks that. Good. Good, Anakin. Good. Alright. Where are you gonna go now? You think he predicts again? Do you think he really doesn't predict it again? He didn't. Wow. That is so good though. Cause now I can fire up a free return. This is like the first return of my life. Sack the bishop. Yes! Woo! Now I win. Yes, sir. You sacked your bishop. I'm sorry for something. I forgot the rest of it. Wait, this kills. No, I win with just this, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, he's scarfed. Alright, that's fine though, that's fine. Just leech on this. Just leech, my boy. Leech, ya boy. I'm just gonna leech. I'm sorry for leeching, but leeching's what I do. Bro. Okay. Wait, he's not scarfed? How did he outspeed? Wait, no, I'm actually confused. Because he just EQ'd. He outsped this, though. Unless was my scarf knocked off? I don't know. I can't remember. Garibald does a ton. Come on, he lives 1. He's gonna live like, yeah, okay. Good, and I can just protect. But he's scarf, oh no. But actually, I don't know why you did that. Wait, okay, that fails now. Whatever. I just sacked this, I'm pretty sure. You think he's actually gonna trick? Yeah, he did, okay. I mean, no, that's good. Do you think he tricks back? No, I should have gone crawled on. That's a bad idea, actually. Because he might trick back. No, I gotta sack crawl here. Because I know Boom Burst kills, and since he doesn't have the Scarf, I'm gonna outspeed him. Volt here, and then we go here, and we Boom Burst him. Okay. Nah. Alright, nice.